Hey, I'm Ronnie with AutoZone, and I'm going to show you how to fix a punctured tire. If your car starts to wobble while you're driving, or if you're starting to hear a loud thumping noise, it's likely you have a flat. To repair it, all you need is a can of tire inflator, a pair of pliers, and a tire repair kit. You can get everything you need at AutoZone. While you're there, pick up a portable air compressor. It's good to keep one in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Now, let's get started. Your first step is to find the puncture in your tire. Sometimes this can be easy, but often you'll have to roll the car forward a few feet to find the spot where the air leaked out. If there's a nail or similar object embedded, there's no need to remove it just yet. Just get your can of tire inflator and follow the instructions on it to fill the tire. You should see the tire inflate. If it looks like it's holding air, you already have a good temporary solution that can get you to a service station. If you can't find the puncture, or if the hole is totally exposed, you're going to have to remove the wheel entirely to fix the problem. Make sure your car is in a safe, level place and secured. First, break the lug nuts loose on the wheel before you jack it up. A lot of people forget to do this. Once the wheel is off the ground, loosen the lug nuts entirely and pull the wheel off. Find the hole in the tire. Eventually, you'll use a pair of pliers to remove the foreign object. If your tire's hole is in the tread, it can be fixed. But if the hole is on the side of the tire or the tire is cut, you'll need to replace the tire. Before removing the object, prepare the plug on the installer. Once the plug is prepared, remove the object. Your tire repair kit should include a round rasp file. Use this to widen the hole and remove any jagged edges in your tire if it's not already the size of a pencil. Then, press this needle-like tool through the hole. Remove the tool, leaving the plug in place, and cut off the excess. After your tire is plugged, use your tire inflator to refill it. Once your tire is inflated, reverse the tire removal steps to reinstall it. Install the lug nuts by hand to secure the wheel to the hub, then lower the jack to use a wrench to tighten them up. And that's how you do it. You can get everything we use to fix this tire at AutoZone. And they're all great things to keep in your car in case of an emergency. For more tips, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.